Hey, Brian Beckcom here at VB Attorneys. One of the things that I point out to people a lot is even if you think your case is awesome, even if you think you were clearly injured, it was clearly the other person's fault, the insurance companies will hire the most ridiculous experts to say the most ridiculous things. So here's an example of what I'm talking about, which I'm about to show you a video from a neurosurgeon. My lady was hurt. She hurt her back. She never had any back problems before. There was no other way she could have hurt her back. But the insurance company decided to hire Dr. David Baskin, neurosurgeon, to offer the following preposterous testimony.
If somebody is walking down the street and somebody walks up and hits them in the foot with a sledgehammer, and afterwards they have serious pain, would you opine that the strike on the foot with the sledgehammer is probably what caused them to have pain?
Well, things are not always what they seem.
Can you answer that question,
I'm
sir?
answering the best I can. Things are not always what they seem. It's certainly possible that that's what the cause was, but I wouldn't know that for sure without knowing what their foot looked like and what the X-ray showed, and then whether or not there was some other reason that they might have chronic foot pain.
Assuming they had no foot pain of any consequence for 2 years, and then somebody hit them in the foot with a sledgehammer, and afterwards they had foot pain, would you be comfortable with those facts, saying that the strike with the sledgehammer probably caused the foot pain?
Well, you're making a very hypothetical case, which isn't exactly a corollary to this case, because what if the X-ray showed that foot had lots of degeneration? What if that foot went on to degenerate what if the other foot went on to degenerate? I mean, it would depend. I don't know how to answer. I think the analogy is unanswerable. I don't know. It would depend on the circumstances, and I don't think that's this circumstance.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
That's your testimony?
Yes.
So you see, even if somebody gets hit in the foot with a sledgehammer, as hard as they can and never had foot pain before, this doctor and many, many like him, frankly, that just hire themselves out constantly to insurance companies to take the side of the insurance companies against injured people. Many, many doctors are like this, unfortunately. And so even if you got a strong case, just bear in mind that there are some crazy people who will do crazy things out there to hurt your case.